Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling activity history so the system actually records actions. Open Settings now with Windows plus I. Once done, navigate to Privacy and Security and choose Activity History. Turn on both Store My Activity History on this device and Send My Activity History to Microsoft if you want cross-device syncing. You need these switches on to collect timeline entries. Without them, you won't see past actions. Make sure your account is signed in and sync is allowed, because that's how Windows links activities to. Next, you'll actually view the history using Task View. Press Windows plus Tab or click the Task View icon to open the timeline. This shows activities grouped by day and hour. Once you're in, scroll or expand entries to inspect individual documents, websites, and app sessions. To narrow results quickly, use the search box or the filter menu to limit by app, date range, or file type. This helps when you have long timelines. Filters make it fast to find the exact document or browser tab you need. Finalize by managing or clearing entries and resolving problems. To remove entries, return to Settings Activity History and choose Clear Activity History. That deletes local records. If history isn't appearing, make sure your Microsoft account is signed in, sync is enabled, and Windows Update is current. Outdated builds can block timeline features. If a specific app isn't recorded, check its individual privacy toggle or reinstall it. One key tip: restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in to refresh the timeline when changes don't.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.